We know for a fact that the universe is expanding because galaxies are moving away from us. Then why is Andromeda moving towards our galaxy? Is it because the Milky Way and Andromeda are moving towards the great attractor? Very good question. So, we know that the universe is expanding. I went into that in some detail. And yet, you are right. Your observation is correct. The Milky Way and our closest neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, we are these two galaxies are moving towards each other, and in about 4.5 or 5 billion years from today, the two galaxies will collide. There will be a collision or a merger of sorts, and they will eventually combine together to form a more massive galaxy, which people call Milkomeda or something like that. So that's about 5 billion plus years in the future. So if the universe is expanding, if the expansion is accelerating, then why is the Milky Way and Andromeda, why are these two galaxies moving towards each other? And is it because of the great attractor? So what is the great attractor? It is a gravitational anomaly that is invisible to us. It is present in the local supercluster. The what is it called? It's called the Laniakea supercluster, which is about it's a cluster of about 10,000 or so galaxies. The Milky Way and Andromeda are part of that. So there is at the center of mass of this supercluster a gravitational anomaly which we are not able to see from here because it lies in the beyond the plane of our galaxy itself. So we cannot observe it directly from here, from the Earth. So it is a gravitational anomaly. It is a very, very massive object of some kind. Uh, and it is about 200 or 250 million light years away from where we are. So is it what is causing Andromeda and us to come towards each other? No, it is not. Andromeda and the Milky Way are just 2.5 million light years away from each other. So they are much closer to each other than the Laniakea supercluster, the great attractor at the center of the Laniakea supercluster. So the reason these two galaxies are coming towards each other is because the expansion of the universe happens at the largest scales. The density of dark energy is less than is on the of the order of 10 raised to minus 30 grams per cubic centimeter, which is extremely incredibly dilute. So it does not affect space-time at local scales, at the scales of galaxy clusters and the like. It only affects space-time at the very, very, very largest scales, at the scales of superstructures and dark matter filaments and the very largest structures in the universe. So that's why the local gravity of these two galaxies is able to overpower the very weak local effect of dark energy. And that's why they are moving towards each other. It has nothing to do with the so-called great attractor, which we really don't understand what it is. It's probably something we are unable to see because our galaxy, the plane of our galaxy gets in the way. So to answer your question, it's because in the local scale, gravity overpowers dark energy. That is the answer in brief.